Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about something that affects millions of people around the world: high blood pressure. If you're one of those people, or you know someone who is, you might be looking for ways to manage it. Well, I'm here to share how yoga can be a powerful tool in controlling high blood pressure. And trust me, it's not just about twisting into pretzel shapes or balancing on one leg. It's about finding a practice that connects your mind, body, and breath in a way that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. First off, let's get one thing straight. Yoga is not a magic pill. It's not going to replace your doctor or your medication, but it can be an amazing complement to your overall health routine. High blood pressure often comes from stress, anxiety, and a hectic lifestyle. Yoga helps counteract that by promoting relaxation. When you engage in yoga, you're not just stretching your muscles, you're also calming your nervous system. This can lead to lower heart rates and improved circulation, which are great for managing blood pressure. Now, if you're new to yoga, you might be wondering where to start. There are so many different styles out there, but for high blood pressure, you'll want to focus on gentle, restorative practices. Think about styles like Hatha or Yin Yoga. These are slower paced and emphasize deep breathing and relaxation. You don't need to be a yoga expert to benefit from these practices. Just find a comfortable space, roll out your mat, and take a few minutes to breathe. Speaking of breathing, let's dive into one of the most essential aspects of yoga: pranayama, or breath control. Deep, mindful breathing can significantly lower stress levels. Try this simple technique. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your belly, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Do this for a few minutes. Focus on the breath and let go of any thoughts that come to mind. You'll be surprised at how quickly you feel more relaxed. This practice not only calms your mind, but also helps lower your blood pressure. Next, let's talk about some specific poses that can help manage high blood pressure. One of my favorites is the child's pose. It's simple, restorative, and promotes relaxation. Kneel on your mat, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward as you lower your forehead to the ground. Stay here for several breaths. This pose helps to calm the mind and reduce stress. Another great pose is the legs up the wall pose. Lie on your back and extend your legs up against a wall. This position helps improve circulation and can be incredibly soothing. Just make sure you're comfortable and stay in this pose for 5 to 10 minutes. You can use this time to focus on your breath and let your mind drift. And let's not forget about the importance of a consistent practice. Even if you can only spare 10 minutes a day, that's enough to make a difference. Consistency is key. You'll start to notice the benefits not just in your body, but in your overall mood and outlook on life. Remember, it's also essential to listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't push it. Yoga is about finding what works for you. If you're ever unsure, consider joining a class or following along with a video online. There are so many resources available, and you'll find a community of people who are on the same journey. In conclusion, yoga can be a fantastic way to manage high blood pressure. It's about creating a space for yourself to relax, breathe, and reconnect with your body. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, I encourage you to give it a try. Your body and your blood pressure will thank you for it.